How to fix Telegram connecting problem on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot when Telegram shows a check your internet connection error. First, open the Settings app on your device. After that, tap on Connections. From there, tap on Wi-Fi and confirm you're properly connected with a strong signal. At this point, if you're on mobile data instead, tap on Mobile Data Usage to confirm data is turned on. In the next step, go back and tap on Airplane Mode. Following this, toggle it on for a few seconds, then toggle it back off to refresh your connection. Once done, open Telegram again to see if it connects properly now. From here, if the issue continues, go back to Settings, then tap on Date and Time. At this stage, make sure Automatic Date and Time is toggled on, since an incorrect date can sometimes block secure connections. Keep in mind, some networks or firewalls, especially on public Wi-Fi or certain regions, may restrict Telegram's connection entirely, so switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can help identify if that's the issue. Finally, restart your device once you've checked these settings, then reopen Telegram to confirm the connection issue is resolved. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the Telegram connecting problem on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.